Hello YouTube, as you can see here, my Xbox is back from repair. Took a total of 19 days from the day it broke to the right now. So right now I'm just gonna, took 19 days. I'm just gonna open the box right now. Oh my god. Finally, jeez. 19 days does not seem like a whole lot, folks, but for me, it seemed like a lot. Whoa. Okay. Let's see here. We'll open up. Come on now. Alright. Let's see here. I think I have it on the wrong side here. I'm not sure. Yeah, I have it upside down. Hold on a second, let me pull it out. Alright, as I take it out, there's some papers. One of them says, reconnect the controller to the console. Press and hold down the guide button until it turns on. Turn on the Xbox. Well, no shit. Okay, forget that. And then there's a letter from Microsoft saying, "Dear Xbox enthusiasts, thank you for being a part of the Microsoft Xbox 360 community. We've repaired your Xbox 360 game system per the terms of the Xbox warranty and are returning your system that you can continue enjoying the exciting video game experience the Xbox offers." And highlighted right there, as you can see, it says, "Please accept our apologies for the inconvenience you are experiencing by having to send your Xbox 360 in for repair. It is our goal to provide you with the best gaming and entertainment experience possible and hope to regain your trust and satisfaction and loyalty. Please accept this complimentary 1-month Xbox Live Gold subscription card in a gesture and appreciation to you. Thank you from Microsoft." Ooh, wow, that is so nice. 1 month. Oh my god, that's so gonna do something. That is gonna make me so better. And as you can see, there's a quality survey. Fill that out when I'm bored. And now for the part that I've been waiting for about 19 days. There's a little foam pads. And here it is, a subscription card. Come on, you piece of shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my foot here. God damn. Alright, 1 month. Why the fuck are the cards so damn big? Okay, whatever. Enter that 25 billion code later. Here's the unit. The replacement unit, as they call it. And, let's open this up. There. There's the console. I'm going to pull out the bag. It's a new unit. My old one was I don't know what kind of model it was. I know it was a 06 model, that's all I know, but as you can see here, I don't know if you can or not, it's an 07. Probably can't see it. But I got my chrome finish back. A new faceplate. Smells new, just like from the factory. Microsoft. There's a space for the hard drive, power button, chrome finish, all that good stuff. But no HDMI, unfortunately. Same old, same old. And thanks for watching my video, and I'm gonna go plug it up and have some fun now. So thanks for watching.